In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert a citation into your Word documents while you're writing. This is the Cite While You Write add-on from EndNote. This is the online version or web version. I'm going to assume that you've already followed the directions and installed it on your computer. You can see here at the top there's an EndNote X8 button when you open your Word document up at the top of the ribbon there. I've written a sentence I would like to cite. You can select the different style here. I've selected APA 6, fairly common style. If you don't see yours, you can always select another style there. Now I want to click Insert Citation. This is the part that takes a little getting used to. I select Insert Citation, and I've already typed in a keyword to search my list of citations. Then you select the correct one. It presumes that you kind of know the citation that you're going to put in your paper. So search for that author, main phrase, or a couple of keywords from the record. And in this window, you're seeing a list of results by using that keyword. So I'll select what the right one would be for the sake of this demonstration. Click Insert. It inserts the item correctly. It also starts building your works cited page. I'll go ahead and put a period at the end of that sentence, and you're done. All right, good luck with your research.